If you need to cancel a GNC order, here are the steps and conditions you should be aware of. So there are cancellations due to order processing difficulties. Such reasons are items not available, difficulty in processing your payment information, cannot ship to the address provided, or there was a duplicate order. And if your order is canceled, you will receive an email notification explaining the reason for the cancellation. And then, second is you cannot manually cancel your GNC order because once you click send my order, your order begins to process because the system is designed to fill your orders quickly. So the only thing you can do is to receive the order and return them following GNC's return instructions. And then there are some exceptions. You may only cancel your order if you receive an email notification indicating that one or more items in your order are on back order or there is an issue processing your payment information. And basically that's it.